Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of home entertainment with the DOSS Soundbox Pro Bluetooth speaker. If you're in pursuit of the ultimate home theater experience, you've come to the right place. Let's kick things off by talking about what makes the DOSS Soundbox Pro stand out from the crowd. Packed with features designed to elevate your audio experience, this speaker is truly a game-changer. With 20 watts of stereo sound, including dual passive radiators, the DOSS Soundbox Pro delivers powerful audio with enhanced bass, tight mids, and crystal-clear highs. Whether you're watching movies, streaming music, or gaming, you'll feel like you're right in the heart of the action. But that's not all. One of the standout features of the DOSS Soundbox Pro is its ability to wirelessly pair with another speaker for immersive stereo sound. Simply connect two Soundbox Pro speakers for double the volume and an even bigger soundstage. And let's not forget about the party vibes. With dynamic light effects that sync to the beat of your music, the DOSS Soundbox Pro sets the mood for any occasion. Choose from 6 vibrant colors and 3 illumination patterns to create the perfect atmosphere. But what about durability? Rest assured, the DOSS Soundbox Pro is built to withstand the elements. With an IPX6 waterproof rating, you can take this speaker anywhere, from pool parties to camping trips, without worrying about water damage. And with Bluetooth 5.0 technology, connecting to your favorite devices is faster and more reliable than ever. Seamlessly stream music from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop for hours of uninterrupted entertainment. From its powerful stereo sound to its immersive light show and rugged design, the DOSS Soundbox Pro Bluetooth speaker truly redefines the home theater experience. Say goodbye to mediocre audio and hello to cinematic sound quality right in your own home. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy listening.